How to use branching logic in Microsoft Forms. Forcing people to scroll through irrelevant questions completely kills your survey response rates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use branching logic in Microsoft Forms to build dynamic, personalized surveys that automatically show or hide questions based on how a user answers. Let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, so just go ahead and open up your Forms Editor workspace and make sure that you are already building or built out all your quiz or survey questions chronologically. Then left click on a specific multiple choice or rating question card you want to use as your logic trigger. I'll just choose option 1. Move your cursor to the bottom right and click on the 3 dots icon right over here. Then from the drop down, select Add Branching. Then guys, just move to this 3 dot menu right over here, click on it once and choose Add Branching. The workspace will instantly transition into the Branding Options Design dashboard layer, and you will see a dedicated drop-down selection box nested directly next to individual choice answer alternative. You can just click on the drop-down for a specific choice and select the exact consecutive question you want the respondent to see next, seamlessly skipping the irrelevant fields in between. You can also use branching to route users to entirely separate structural sections or skip them to the finish line directly. So if a particular response options means a user is finished with a survey, click its companion choice drop-down menu box and select End of the form right over here. Choose this. Also keep in mind that the primary architectural rule of forms branching is as follows. Your navigation path must strictly move forward. You can command a user to jump from question 4 ahead to question 7, but you cannot loop them backward to a question they have already passed. That is it. Now your interface layout is fully optimized with conditional skip logic to keep your data clean and your completion rates high. Enjoy guys, and see you in the next one.